Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue is that when you just try to creating your Apple ID and we're facing issue that when you just enter your password and you make again password of according to the phone number just like that. My randomly number is 777-239 and 43 is 971 just like that, and I just use that numbers in my password. So but Apple ID is saying that you cannot use that number in your password in your Apple ID, and also you cannot use that numbers of your phone number in your Apple ID email address. So how you can resolve that issue? Simply just have to just follow the steps. Simply just for do that you just have a strong Wi-Fi connection, and that's when you're trying to creating your Apple account, and you have to make sure that you just enter the numbers and digits which not according to your email, not according to your phone number, which you just tell them and enter them for the verification. Make sure that you didn't enter anyone according to the email which you can match that, and cannot enter the numbers which will according which will match with your phone number, and make sure that it's a different one with the number of your phone number and also a different one with your email address, and your problem gonna solve, and the Apple ID accept your recommend password. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.